so tired today. My voice is still like even breaking. So first of all, I want to say happy Vlogmas season and happy silly season. Sisingenile phakathi December, we're Decembering now. Things are about to get, I don't know. I'm not necessarily feeling the Christmas spirit yet, but you know, just year-end fatigue has, you know, become a thing. So yes, I wanted to say happy silly season and happy Vlogmas. And today I actually need to run a very important errand. Finally, I'm renew a disc moto, so I need to find a post office where I can go to sort that out. And yeah, and then oh yes, and then I'm having lunch with my sister later on. I'm very excited about that. I haven't seen her in a while. So okay, yeah, just start getting ready. I also need to install a wig. Kill me now. Like, yeah, so it's been a very long week. Had to travel a long distance travel to Matatiel. Yeah, to Matatiel. So that was quite a long trip, hey? And yeah, even Izology, like we slept very late. Yeah, so it's been a bit of a crazy what. Yesterday I had to go sort out some things, Kamaspala as well. Like kuning. So yeah, today is at least gonna be somewhat of a relaxing day as soon as I've done the disc renewal thing. Once then I'll feel like, okay, I've done everything that I've needed to do this week. So yeah, anyways, I do hope that you enjoy this vlog and happy Vlogmas, my loves. So I'm just busy getting ready now. I'm about to install my wig, do my makeup, get dressed and get out of here. I've actually just gotten back from the post office. Unsuccessful trip. Literally I didn't make the cut because it was so packed. So they literally needed to count the number of people that will be allowed in because they close at 1 p.m. on Saturday. So unfortunately I didn't make the cut. It was such a waste of a trip. Like, I'm so annoyed. But like, yeah, whatever. I guess it means I'll have to do it during the week, which is so frustrating because, you know, that's what weekends are for. So yeah, but anyways, it's okay. I'm over it now. I'm just, yeah, that was quite disappointing because I really wanted to get this out of the way. Like, I don't want to have this hanging over my head anymore. Yeah, but anyways, right now I'm about to install my wig, and then after that I need to then get dressed into the clothes that I'm gonna wear to go for lunch, and yeah, then I'll see you guys later.
Okay, that works. I'm keeping you. Go ahead.
Stella ubingelele or baby girl, no baby boy.
Hello YouTubers, Nandi here, Biggie.
We've missed you on YouTube.
Terribly.
We've missed you on the channel.
Happy to be back.
Right. Hi babies, I'm back now in Leni. I had the most amazing time with my sister, and now it's time to rest. Oh my goodness, it was such an amazing afternoon slash evening. We had the most amazing time. I hope that you enjoyed this little outing and you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll be inspired to explore the new mall and see what it's all about. Otherwise, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.